Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My English book, Standard 6. 1.6. Grandpa tells a story. First, let's quick check out the words from Grandpa tells a story. Grandfather, jackal, tried, sugar can, certainly, edge, farms, trick, treat, repeat, complete, guess, munching, pardon, explain, sentence, clever, tempt, श्योर, लेटर. सो हम आज देखेंगे कि ग्रैंडपा कौन सी स्टोरीज़ बोलने वाले हैं. तो उसमें जो कैरेक्टर्स है, जो किरदार है, वो है ग्रैंडपा, ईशान, राधिका, चिल्ड्रन, विद्या, एंड देन वी हैव अक्षय एंड गौरी, श्रिया. Let's see what's Grandpa going to tell us. Grandpa was telling a story to Ronak and his friends. So Grandpa, once upon a time near the water's edge. Ronak, excuse me Grandpa, what's an edge? Grandpa, my dear boy, allow me to complete the sentence. Once upon a time, a camel and a jackal lived by a river near the water edge. And on the other side of the river there was a village with field and farms. Now, can anyone help Ronak with the word what? Edge. Ishan, let me guess. It's border of the line where one thing stops and another begins. Grandpa, yes, you are right. Now the jackal was very clever. He tried to play a trick on his friend camel, who was happily munching away. Radhika, Grandpa, could you please repeat the last phrase? Happily munching away. The camel was happily and slowly eating or munching away his food. Children, oh. Grandpa, the jackal began to tempt him to go for a sugarcane treat. Vidya, pardon. Grandpa, I didn't get the last word. Could you repeat those? A sugarcane treat. Vidya, sorry Grandpa, but I did not understand the phrase a sugarcane treat. Grandpa, a treat is something special that one enjoys. The jackal wanted the camel to go with him to sugarcane field. Akshay, can I explain further? The jackal and the camel were going to eat and enjoy the sugarcane from the farmer's field. Radhika, why everyone will enjoy a sugarcane treat? Grandpa, yes, you have understand the meaning of a treat. Gauri, please continue Grandpa, let's listen to the story. But let me please, don't it mean that they were going to steal from the farmers? Shriya, maybe, but let's listen to the story. Grandpa, please have the question later. सो हमने कन्वर्जेशन देखा जिसमें ग्रैंडपा रौनक के फ्रेंड्स को स्टोरी बोल रहे हैं और उसमें बच्चे उनको बीच बीच में इंटरप्ट कर रहे हैं. तो इंटरप्ट यानी आप बीच में आपको कुछ पूछना है या कोई सवाल करना है. तो इंग्लिश में इंटरप्शन के लिए क्या कैसे आप पूछ सकते हो और उसका जवाब रिस्पॉन्स आप कैसे दोगे वो हम देखेंगे. फर्स्ट वन इज़ पार्डन. पार्डन मीन्स यस. एक्सक्यूज़ मी सर और मैडम. So your answer will be yes. Could you repeat that please? Will you please say that again? Sure, certainly. जब आप किसी से दोबारा कुछ बोलने के लिए कहेंगे. Sorry, but I did not get the last word sentence. Okay, I will repeat it. Could you please explain that? Could you please explain the meaning? I will explain it afterwards, not now, later on. Excuse me, can I ask something? Go ahead. So those are the words for interruption and their responses. So in next video we'll see the camel and the jackal story.